Can ACCAs perform the audit function in India? To answer this question, first of all, let us understand what is audit. I am talking about the statutory or the external audit that companies are required to get done every year. Now, an audit, an external audit, is an independent examination of the financial statements of an entity by an independent third party known as the auditor, who examines the financial statements, books of accounts, and a whole lot of other documents, and then he expresses an opinion on whether the financial statements present a true and fair view, whether they are free from any material misstatements, and whether they are in compliance with the accounting standards and the relevant laws and regulations. Now, in India, please understand, when a company is required to get its books of accounts audited, this is a compulsory requirement under Companies Act 2013. The Companies Act 2013 in a specific part mentions that while it is mandatory for companies to get their books of accounts audited every year, the audit has to be performed by a chartered accountant. And how does the Companies Act define chartered accountant? Companies Act 2013 says that a chartered accountant is a person who is a member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which means when it comes to signing the audit report and the financial statements, only an Indian chartered accountant can sign these documents. But does that mean ACCAs cannot become a part of the audit team? No, they can definitely become a part of the audit team. They can rise up to multiple, even in a big four, they can rise through the ranks right up to the level of the director. The only problem or the only shortcoming on this front, I would say, is that ACCAs cannot sign the balance sheet and the audit report in India. But they can do any other and every other activity that an auditor does except for signing the financial statements. And this restriction is there because the Companies Act 2013 specifically says that only a chartered accountant can get the books of accounts audited. This is only for external audit. On the other hand, if you want to be a part of internal audit, if you want to be a part of risk-based audits, if you want to be a part of any other audit team, then there is no restriction whatsoever. So, after becoming an ACCA affiliate, you can work in internal audit, in statutory audit, in risk-based audit, in any other kind of audit, in information system audits. You can have a very good career for yourself. The only thing that an ACCA affiliate is not allowed to do is he cannot sign the balance sheet and audit report of a company. Everything else, there is absolutely no prohibition. So, if you want to take up audit as your career, then you have landed at the right place. ACCA is that course which is going to help you achieve that dream of yours of becoming a successful auditor. To know more about how the ACCA course works, please get in touch with our counselors who will guide you through the entire process and put you on the right path for developing your career. Audit is a very, very rewarding field, and you can rise quickly through the ranks and become a successful auditor, not just an external auditor, but also as a risk-based auditor, internal auditor, so on and so forth. So don't wait, guys, make that decision right now.